What's up, internet? Kindlerfire. So I'm going through some boxes, right? Got a bunch of boxes come in, and I'm going through some stuff, checking out some things to test in the future. And I thought this would be interesting to check out. I have no freaking clue what this really is, to be quite honest with you. Like some kind of pry bar fire starter. It says Kindlerfire. So we're gonna check it out. I don't know if you can tell, but it's hotter than blue hell here in Georgia today. So if you see me sweating, that's exactly what's going on. I'm sweating, it's freaking hot. So let's check out the Kindlerfire right here. It says fuel, oxygen, heat. Okay, that makes fire, right? Those are the three components of making fire. Scan that to see how it works. I'm not gonna do that though. I don't want to do that yet. I want to see if I can figure it out. Let's see what we got here. So we've got big old fat Ferro Rod. That's nice. Ferrocerium rod right there. And then we've got the Kindlerfire. So right there is a nice sharp, unfinished or unpainted or whatever edge right there, 90-degree edge. It seems to be the only 90-degree, well, probably strike with this too, right here. That cutout there, it's pretty sharp. But right here seems to be the only sharpened, exposed steel area. And then this is interesting. I think I know where they're going. Kindler or kindling fire, and we've got two chainsaw links here to the teeth. You see that? That's interesting, and that's the chicken. I don't know if you can hear the chicken in the background, but we gotta let's walk outside. We gotta walk outside. I think I know, and I'm interested now. 100% interested now. Let's go. Come on. Got some wood out here that I keep under my shoulder to keep it dry. And also, I got a Dollar General bag blowing around out here. Stuff that in the trash. All right. I got some wood there, some fat wood. We'll grab this one right here. And we'll use this right here. Okie dokie. So we've got these chainsaw teeth on here, right? So you go out, you get you a piece of wood like this one. You need to make some kindling, some tinder. And it being oh yeah, check that out. Get up in here close so you can see this. So you take these teeth here and you rub it into the wood. And that's one way you can create your shavings. Pretty good old amount of shavings there, but not a whole lot of work. This probably isn't the most ideal piece of wood to use, but it works pretty good. It's kind of cutting a groove in there. And you can go both ways with it because, you know, the two blades are opposing. But you create your fine tinder right there like that with these teeth from a dang chainsaw chain. And then you got your ferro rod here. You definitely want to get the coating off. Well, that's a pretty good ferro rod there. It's not lighting right away. Try a different piece of wood. Oh, my knees. Still got a little bit of smoke going. Let's try this piece. Kind of awkward. I think if I had like a bigger piece, like where I can hold my hands further away, it'd be a little bit better. But it makes some rather good shavings. This ought to burn real good. This right here is pine. I think this right here was just some old scrub oak. This right here is pine. Got a little bit of fat lighter in it. Not much. Got a little bit in it. Not a full fat lighter piece. But it's got some resin in it, but it makes very good shavings without a whole lot of effort, which I like. All right, think about it. You're tired, you're cold, you're wet, you're whatever, trying to build a fire. It's been a long day. You don't have a lot of energy. See how this does. There we go. Oh yeah. That works good. Works good. Yeah, that definitely had some terpene in it. Some fat lighter in it. So that black smoke. It works. That's really good ferrocerium rod too. That's a very good ferrocerium rod. It's soft, pretty cool. Let me see if this bottom piece here, yeah, you can strike with this bottom piece here if you wanted to. It's interesting. It's very interesting. I want to try one more pass on this longer board here where I can get a little bit more power behind it versus something small. Still burning over here. I can get that to quit burning here in a minute. Obviously, this is a piece of actual 2x6 lumber, right? You wouldn't want to be using this. But in a pinch, if you ran into some lumber and you had to start a fire, yeah, you wouldn't want it to be treated, but hey, in a survival situation, I guess you got to do what you got to do, so we'll pretend, right? There's different ways you can hold it. You can hold it this way and run it. Digging in, you can run it this way. It's probably easier to start by pulling, getting it going. That is interesting. I mean, it works. Look at all them shavings that it's creating. I kind of dig it. I mean, it's a strange piece of kit, but whoever thought to take a couple pieces of, or a couple links off a chainsaw chain for this kind of application is kind of freaking smart. And I think I'm using it right. I mean, chainsaw teeth are designed to cut through wood, so I figured it was for doing this. I guess I'll check out their link on that box to see if I did it right. And then there's only 2 places on here that have no paint on it. So it's got to be where you strike. So here and here on the bottom. One of the more interesting fire making kits, I guess, out there, because, I mean, let's face it, there's a lot of different ones out there, but a lot of them have extreme similarities, right? I mean, they all kind of do the same thing and do it in the same way. This one's a little different. Ferro rod, the tool itself, little carrying pouch. Put that in there. It's got another space for something else, or another rod, if you will. It's got it where you can strap it to molly or whatever. Kind of dig it. I think it's cool. First time I've ever seen anything like that. And thanks to Kindlerfire for mailing that to me. I love getting surprises. Yeah. Again, let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm gonna go get a towel and dry myself off. And I'll see you next time with another product test, review, unboxing. You know the deal. Yeehaw. Love you, mean it. Bye-bye now. God, it's hot, man. I can't think or get anything to work properly when I'm about to burn up anymore. And to think I used to work in this stuff every day when I was younger, you know? Now it bothers me. Now I can't do it. My brain don't function when I'm burning up like this anymore.